Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. If I sound a little froggy, I am not sick.
She's just trying to leap.
I'm not trying to leap. It's because, it's been bitter cold here, and my heat has ran and ran and ran. And I think that the room was really dry last night, and it messes with my sinuses every year. It's not a uncommon thing for me. I need to clean my room and plug up the humidifier that I bought last year, because it really does help a lot with all of the dryness and everything. But anyways, we are headed to Wally World this morning. I told you.
I was over here watching my morning nature show.
Yes,
it's
he's
called
watching.
Our Universe on
He's
Netflix.
with the other woman, which is Mrs. iPad. I've been joking with everybody because all he talks about is his new iPad, and I said, it's the other woman. That's what we're calling her now. So today we are up early. I'm having coffee with my honey over here, and I made out a few more Christmas cards. Today. And today is my dad's birthday. And so I made sure I wished him happy birthday. I sent him a card, but I don't think he's going to get it today. I hope he does. Maybe he might. It's so funny because when I lived down south and I would mail things, it would take every bit of 5 days to get up here in Morgantown, West Virginia, where they live. But see, they're snowbirds, so when it's winter, they fly south to Florida, and now I'm in West Virginia mailing that direction, and it seems like it takes less time for them to get their mail. So it's crazy, but it's just, and this time of year too, it might be a little slower because of all the Christmas cards and packages and all that kind of stuff. People are talking about eggs being $7, and I told him 4 years ago, now I'm just going to say this, before I got my divorce, I could go to Aldi in Memphis, Tennessee area, that's where I was living, and I could get a dozen eggs for 79 cents.
Them days are gone right now, ain't they?
It's crazy. I think we're going to have to invest in some chickens. Jan Morrell has chickens. Maybe it's an idea. And maybe, you know what? We've got some money left for Christmas. Let's go get a chicken coop. You going to help me build it?
Yeah, I sure am.
I don't know nothing about raising chickens. Tell me, guys, do you guys have any chickens? Let me know. I'm going to shut up and get my stuff together. Ronnie's in heaven, ain't you?
Oh, yeah.
Hello, everyone. We are back.
Yes.
And here is my sweetheart over here.
We just made us a big hot cup of tea.
Yes, we made us some tea, and we got everything that we wanted from Wally World, so it was a successful trip. Excuse the clothes over here. Those are from his broadcast, and I haven't got it. I hung them on the hangers, but I need to run them upstairs too. Put them back where they go.
I want to tell you, if y'all ain't had a chance to watch the broadcast, just go over on Facebook to Ron and Heidi's ministry page.
It's public, and you'll see our picture. Yep, it's for everybody. And if you don't know, Ronnie sings gospel music, and it was a Christmas special that he did. He does it every year. He calls it a Kendra Christmas. But this year, I was just the videographer and the whole thing, and I played the music in the background, his soundtracks, because somebody had to run the show. You may not know this, but he has 21 albums that he has cut. All gospel, Southern gospel. I have my favorites, though.
Just think, you got one that sing right here beside of you all the time you want.
That's right.
You got your own jukebox.
I got my own jukebox. My favorite album is the Bluegrass one, because he's from Logan County, so, it only makes sense. He's country fried all the way, poor Ronnie.
I've been here in this city, though, long enough.
Yeah, you have. But your accent still is real thick. And
well, you know what they say, you can take the boy out of the country, but you can't take the country out of the boy.
Enjoy my coffee. I mean, not my coffee, but my tea. Maybe I need coffee. Gonna have my tea. And then I'm going to put away my groceries, and I'll show you guys, you know, a little haul. Here is what I bought. I just have it on this small table in here in the kitchen because I had it set up, and I didn't buy that much from Walmart. I did buy a few items. I sat down with Ronnie and we made our menu plan and made out our grocery list from what we already have versus what we were going to buy. So first thing is I got this 0 sugar. This one is the coconut cream. I'm going to try it. Have not been able to find the one that I have been really enjoying, which is, pardon the nails, I need to redo my nails. I didn't find the peppermint mocha in the 0 sugar. Got some fajita seasonings. I'm going to stock up on that. I went ahead and I bought the giant bag of cheese because if I don't use this, I can freeze it and use it in casseroles. Honestly, if you do the math, this is the best idea for cheese right now, for me anyways. So I've got these Werther's Originals. These are for my father-in-law's Christmas. Also these Dr. Scholl socks. Have you guys ever felt these socks? I mean, he suffers from diabetes and everything, and I just thought he has a lot of problems with his feet. And I thought socks, but I didn't even know Dr. Scholl's even made socks. These are like butter. They are so soft. I wouldn't mind having these socks. So anyways, I got him some socks. I also got other things too. I'm just going to kind of put like a bag together for him for Christmas. Plus he's having Christmas over here with us and eating with us. So that's that. A thing of onions. Those were on sale. 2 things of the hot smoked, I think that's what it is. Hot smoked sausage. I think you probably can gather where I'm going with this with the cabbage that I bought. Ronnie and I have been eating a lot of cabbage lately. I needed some Velcro for something I'm fixing upstairs. Got some spicy guacamole. I just got a little tub, just enough to have with tacos. 18 count eggs. If you want to know how much these were, I think I will look at, you know what? I will check my receipt and tell you exactly how much these were. But a dozen organic eggs today was $4.07. I don't know how much these were. I was thinking, I will tell you for sure. I'll look at the receipt. So then I got the 18 count. They did not have generic. I'd buy just generic taco shells, but they didn't have any. And as far as taco shells, Aldi's didn't have anything taco related other than the seasoning. I got hot breakfast sausage. I got some real bacon bits. I'm just going to stick these in the refrigerator in case I need to add bacon to anything. Couple things of spinach because you guys know we eat a lot of spinach. And then 2 cans of the cut green beans. These are for Christmas. I'm going to put them in my crock pot with bacon, and that's what we're going to have with ham. We're going to have mashed potatoes and gravy, deviled eggs, green beans, and ham. Is that all? Mashed potatoes, green beans, deviled eggs, and ham, and that's what we're having for Christmas Day. I'm keeping it really simple. And we'll have some cookies, and I've got a pecan pie and a coconut cream pie in my freezer, and I'm just going to take it out and let it thaw. That's what we're going to eat for Christmas Day. So that is that. So anyhow, I'm going to put this stuff away. I will fill out my meal plan on the front of my refrigerator, and then I will go over that with you so you can see what we're planning to eat this week. Maybe not so much in the precise order, but you'll get a general idea. So I was just sitting here and I had the old trusty dusty receipt out, and an 18 count Walmart brand, obviously, eggs was $5.93. I knew it had to be around $5, but I just can't believe that. Does this blow anybody else's mind? Okay, real quickly, I'm just going to share with you what I put on my whiteboard here. So nothing is necessarily in order except for definitely Saturday and Sunday is written in stone because obviously it's Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So yesterday we had meatloaf, mashed potatoes. We actually had red smashed potatoes and macaroni salad that was left over in the fridge. Today we were supposed to have tacos. I don't know if we're going to get to tacos today because of the fact that we ate at McDonald's today and Ronnie may just want a snack. Sometimes he does that and he's like, oh, I'll just have some popcorn and we'll watch a movie. So we'll see. Fish and fries is on the list. Cabbage, potatoes, and sausage. You guys have seen me make that. I'm planning to do that Thursday. Ooh, my arm's itching. I've got pasta, which means spaghetti. And then Saturday is going to be Christmas Eve. And I'm going to make my potato and sausage soup with spinach. And then on Sunday, which is Christmas Day, we're having ham, green beans, mashed potatoes, and gravy also, deviled eggs, and dinner rolls. And we have 2 pies and cookies left. So that is going to be devoured. Ignore this. This is New Year purchases that need to happen. Air filters and batteries for the smoke detectors. So I kind of have me a note there. I am going to close this vlog out. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of spending the day with us. With nothing really exciting going on today. Just a trip to Walmart. And I am really just going to sit here and relax the rest of the evening. And I do have a few dishes to do in my sink, and I'm going to put away a few more groceries and just do a few things around here before I head upstairs to go to bed. But I want to thank you guys for watching my Vlogmas videos. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that you guys leave. Thank you so much for your kindness. It is wonderful. And yeah, so that's just about another wrap on another video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's home. And yes, let me know, are you outraged by the price of eggs? Because it just blows my mind. I've got my pretty Christmas tree on over here. I'm enjoying. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day when you see this. And I will be seeing you again. Bye, guys.